guys, so today we're gonna go to TJMAXX and I'm gonna share with you my tips and tricks on how to find the best makeup deals at TJMAXX. So if you guys are interested, then keep on watching. BTW if you've never seen this face before. Hey you guys, my name is Hana Belle. I'm a huge makeup lover and I make videos on my channel where I bring you guys along with me, come shopping with me to my favorite stores where we discover new and affordable makeup. So if that is your jam, then I hope you guys join the family. Press the subscribe button down below and tap that bell so you get notified every time I upload a video. Alright guys, without any further ado, let's get on to the video. There's good TJMAXX. When do you arrive? So I recommend going to TJMAXX somewhere between 11 to 11:30 because TJMAXX is not a primary makeup store. They're not going to restock before they open. They're going to restock when they have time or when their manager tells them to. So with that said, try to arrive between 11 to 11:30, but not too late because I'll tell you later. Alright, let's look for the makeup section. So you may wonder, what day do I go during the week? I recommend going on Thursday because I found that my TJMAXX restocks the most on Thursday. Alright, we have arrived. Where do I look, Hana? I recommend looking in these shelves, or even, okay, the cup holder's gone, but in these shelves too. Because for whatever reason, the high-end makeup always seems to be placed here. You can see Smashbox, Burberry, Honestly Beverly Hills, Stila, and so many other brands that we love. Where else should I look? I highly recommend looking behind these palettes. For whatever reason, sometimes you find Anastasia's lip palette. It could just get mixed in. Oh, here's Shea Moisturizer. Here's a Stila Eye and Cheek palette. So yes, look behind the eyeshadow palettes. I also recommend checking the clearance section. You guys, let's go look. Because you might just find something. Let's look. Here's something from the Body Shop. What else? Oh, we have some masks. Here's stuff from Philosophy and just so many other goodies. So don't forget to check out the clearance section. Besides looking in the clearance section and behind the eyeshadow palettes, where else should I look? I highly recommend rummaging through all of the items in the beauty section and hair care section because you never know what you will find. Here's something from Origins. For whatever reason, people like to hide stuff. And I'm talking about the good stuff too. Another section to look is the checkout line because you may just find some pretty brushes. Ooh, or a dupe for a beauty blender. Another reason to come earlier in the day versus later in the day, like the evening, is because stuff like this happens throughout the day. Why? Why have you been opened? But you guys, TJMAXX is definitely the place to go to find high-end makeup at a very discounted rate. I'm talking 50% off, 40% off. You are saving your money. And remember, look behind the eyeshadow palettes because you just never know what you will find. Alright guys, well those are all the tips and tricks that I know on how to find the best makeup deals. Good luck in hunting and give your girl a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. I love you guys so much and hope to see you in my next video. Bye!